Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to this video. Today we want to learn how we can install Pycharm on Linux as an IDE for Python developers. So in Linux, it's really easy. You need just to go to software manager and then after that you can just easily search the Pycharm and then you can install it. So let's see. If I search Pycharm here, what will I see? I see here two different versions, Pycharm Community and Pycharm Professional. Pycharm Community is free, but the Professional you have to pay. So I would go for Pycharm Community, and you can see here some reviews, introduction about the application, and here there is a green button which is installed. And if you already installed this software and one day you want to remove it, you can come back to software manager, and here there is a icon. Instead of install, it's uninstall or remove, so you can easily remove it from your computer. But let's install it here. And when you click on installing, you can see this box, which means that additional to the Pycharm community, you should also install these packages. So continue. Now you can see this progress bar here. So now it's finished, and you can see here launch, and I click on launch. Now so here I confirm, continue, data sharing. So if you want to share data with JetBrains, but I don't prefer, so don't send. And now you can see the Pycharm here, so in white mode or black mode, so I prefer black mode. And here, so if you want to create a script for opening files and project from the command line, so I don't check it. And here you can see some feature plugins, so I don't want to install them. And now you can see the environment of application. So this is the community version, and here you can see new project, open a project. So let's say let's go for a new project, and you can see here this is the location, and it creates a new environment, virtual environment. So we will create a video for that, so what it is, and because it's really important, and or existing interpreter. So let's go for a new environment and create. So now you can see it's loading the project, and just setting up the needed files. And yeah, every time you open it, it shows you some tips, so that you can use in productive way. So now it's creating a virtual environment, and now everything is done. So this is the environment, and this is your file, Python file. It's a template, so you can delete it and start to code. So as a first code hello world, and you can see here there is a run icon, or you can click on the screen, and here, so there are some options here also, but just go for these. And now you can see our application is working. So it was for today. I hope that you enjoyed. So see you next time.